Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Popular Bank's credit card account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Popular Bank's credit card account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in popularbank.com like this, or you can simply search for Popular Bank login on the Google itself and hit enter. And both ways you can see the popularbank.com. Click on the popularbank.com, which is on the first result of Google, and after that we will be directed to the home page of Popular Bank itself. Now since both of these websites are same, let's close one of these, and after that you can see the sign in button available at the top right corner of the screen. Simply click on sign in button, and after that all these options will appear. If you have not yet signed up for Popular Bank, you can sign up from over here where it says sign up now. Click over there to go through a process where you can sign up for Popular Bank. Now to log into your Popular Bank's credit card, you can see the credit card option available over here. Click on the credit cards, and let's let the page load first. And when the page loads, you can see the dialog box open where it says enter your username and enter your password over here, and you'll be required to enter your username and password similarly. And after that, click on sign in button to log into your Popular Bank credit card account. Or if you have lost your username or password, simply click on recover username or password to go through a procedure where you can retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. And there guys, this is how you log into your Popular Bank account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.